Hi everyone, welcome to our fun grammar lesson. Today we're learning about the present simple. It's super useful, so let's jump in. We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly, facts and truths, and things we like or dislike. Here's how we use it in daily life. I go to school every day. She plays football on Saturdays. We brush our teeth twice a day. The present simple also tells us things that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Dogs like bones. Books have pages. We use it to say what we like or don't like. I like pizza. He doesn't like broccoli. They love cartoons. Okay, so how do we form the present simple? For I, you, we, and they, we add the verb. And then for he, she, it, we add the verb. And then at the base verb, we add an S or an ES. We'll look at that on the next slide too. So, some examples are, you eat breakfast, she eats breakfast. Notice S was added at the end of the verb. There is another general rule also for he, she, or it. When you add ES to the base verb, here are some examples. He goes, she watches, it fixes, he washes. Okay, let's try one together. Yes, well done. She watches TV. Let's learn the negative form. Use don't or doesn't plus the verb. For questions, use do or does. Let's have a quiz. Which sentence is correct? They plays tennis or they play tennis? That's right, they play tennis. She look or she looks? Well done, she looks. It work or it works? Great job, it works. Now you try. Talk about something you like or don't like, a habit or a routine, and bonus points if you can say a general fact using the present simple. Excellent job. In review, we add ES or S for he, she, it at the end of the verb. Use don't or doesn't for negatives. Use do or does for questions. Well, you did it. You learned the present simple. You made sentences, learned positive and negative forms, and remembered the S and the ES. Great job. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.